So I've got this 2-pack 20 watts fast charger for iPhone. Let's unbox it and check it out. So you can see these 2 cables and 2 chargers. Another one here. Let's take the foil out just like that. This is only for iPhone because it has USB-C to Lightning cable. Okay, so let's take this blue tape off. This is the blue thing that protects this white plastic right here so it doesn't get scratched. Take it off this one as well, and we can take this off, and this is pretty long as well. So let's plug this one in. There we go. Got the USB-C, and then I have this phone, iPhone XS, that uses the Lightning port, and as you can see it's charging. Let's also check the other charger. There we go. In charging as well. And also the other cable. Maybe we'll keep this one neat a bit. So something like this. And plug it in, charging again.